What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Stellar Lumens today, XLM. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. All right, we're up 8.8% today. That's about on par with the average performance of the average crypto right now. You're looking good, man. You really are looking good. Definitely in the right position to be breaking out of this overall downtrend, this bull flag that you've been in since November 25th, 24th. There, I very much believe that you're on a path higher. If we look at this here on a daily RSI perspective, you got an overbought. You came all the way down, a deep cool off into the 40 area, bounced right off the 40, had a higher low on your RSI. After breaking out of this downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, you've started an uptrend, and I believe that you are going to continue pursuing readings that are in the overbought zone, probably higher than this move here. Now, if that's the case, if you see stronger readings than this last move, my expectation would be that this move is overall going to be bigger than the last move. That's not really too hard to do, though, right? This last move was like this big, so the next move is going to be bigger. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but deducing that from the RSI, assuming that we see a higher high there, we can also deduce that from the price, because right now this move, at least from an open to closing perspective, it's the biggest candle that we've seen since April 9th. So for about a month, right? It's the biggest candle we've seen in about a month's time. So I do believe that here, if this is just getting started and we're really kicking off this move, I think that it's going to be larger than what we've seen already. I think that also lines up with the fact that we will be breaking out of this downward sloping trend with this next phase up, right? If we take this high here, take it down, maybe that's not even the right high to take. Maybe I should try and just best fit this. I don't know, right? However you want to look at it, it seems as though we are on the brink of breaking out, whether we've just broken out, whether we, and how else, I don't know, how else would I do this from a high coming down like that, whether we have a little bit more to go before we break out. Regardless, tomato, whatever, this is small potatoes compared to what's coming. Whenever we go higher, whenever we do see this move follow through, not only are we breaking out of this downward sloping trend, not only are we going to get a stronger reading in the RSI and produce a stronger move there, but we're also breaking out of our longer term downtrend that we've been in for months now, for like half a year. We're ready to break out of that, and we're going to see some fantastic results as a result of that. If we're looking at Coinbase here, Stellar Lumens on Coinbase here, you've been in a consolidation phase now for two cycles. It's been two bull cycles in a row. One bull cycle here, two bull cycles. We're in the third bull cycle, two bull cycles altogether that we've been in this consolidation phase, two bear cycles altogether. We're about to break out of it. I can only assume that breaking out of this would create a massive buying opportunity, or a massive pumping opportunity, I should say. The buying opportunity is now. Let alone breaking out of this, seeing new all-time highs, breaking out of your macro multi-cycle ascending triangle look here that you have, right, with higher lows and a flat top. I didn't draw that line the best, but you can see what I'm going for, right? I would only assume that as the breaks go on, as you break out here, it's going to be phenomenal. As you break out here, it's only going to be more phenomenaler, right? We're going to continue to grow at a rapid pace. We're at 28 cents right now. The expectation overall from a high to a low here would be that Stellar Lumens XLM does encounter prices that are around $2, if not above $2, from the last cycle's peak. Come on now, which is a slightly lower high, if I can get it. Oh, we're so close. That's not it. It won't give me an accurate reading. Let me get this right there. Okay, high to low, bull market high, bear cycle low. The minimum target here would be $1.54. I like this. I think 246, $1.54, somewhere around there. That's what I think is going to happen. I really do think that we'll get above $2, but probably closer to $2 instead of $3. That'd be my expectation. But you never know, man. This thing could definitely run, and we're dealing with quite the formation here, right? Multi-cycle consolidation phase, multi-cycle ascending triangle structure, and then also, of course, we've got this massive bull flag right here. It's absolutely a bull flag. If we look at this from the relative low to the relative high of this overall move that we had back in December, November, right? Low to high, we put that right at the base of the flag there. That measure move in itself takes you to $1.40, right? $1.40, that's the measure move. The minimum target we have is $1.54. Measure moves aren't everything, right? You can exceed them, and just because you have a measure move that stops like right about here doesn't mean that you have to stop there forever. Maybe you stop just below. You consolidate and then you continue running. Maybe you stop just above and then you consolidate and you continue running. You know what I mean? But it's possible we could stop here. But I genuinely don't see a situation where Stellar will top off anywhere below $1.54. And truthfully, I'd be surprised if we were not within 10 cents of $2, if not above $2 by the end of this endeavor. You're at $2.83 now. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but yes, it is possible that Stellar could do a 10x from here. We could even see like a $2.80 price, something near $3, but not quite above there. would be my highest expectation. But you never know. Crypto has a way of outperforming your highest expectations or leaving them in the dirt and pulling the rug on you one way or another, right? Weekly RSI looks very bullish. Getting overbought like this, super overbought. You can't even get oversold, man. Even in 6 months of downside, you can't get oversold. You're bouncing off the 40, looking really good here. I like the RSI overall. I think it looks really, really healthy and very structured to see some solid growth over the coming weeks, over the coming months. 3-day time frame, same thing, very bullish structure, right? Can't get oversold. You got overbought, no problem, but you just can't seem to get oversold. Hell, man, you got like an almost 100 read on your overbought zone. This thing is definitely in bullish control right now. Daily time frame looks phenomenal. Got overbought, bouncing off the 40 area, coming back up. I think you're going to rip, man. I really think that you're about to rip. This is nice that you're up 8.8% today, but the big moves, hold on. The big moves, sorry, I had a peanut in my throat. I like peanuts, man, but they don't like you. If you ever eat peanuts, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you talk and it just chokes you out. Or popcorn, it's like the same thing. Whenever we get overbought, you're likely going to produce a move that is akin to this. Now, I don't think it's going to be this fast. I don't think it'll be this robust, but I think overall from a low to a high, you will see that kind of endeavor. It's just it'll be at a slower pace, right? Instead of it happening in 2 weeks, it'll happen in like a month and a half. That's my expectation, but same kind of growth overall from a low to a high. So once you get overbought, that's when the exciting stuff happens. It's exciting right now, but we're not even in the overbought zone. Just wait the coming days because we're on the daily time frame. In like a day, 2 days, within a week from now, we will be in the overbought zone. It really could be by the end of today or tomorrow that we're in the overbought zone, and that's when the real fun begins. That's when we're breaking out of this, and that's when the path higher is being called upon at that very moment. So I don't really know if I have anything else that I want to say. 4-hour time frame looks pretty damn bullish. Building volume there, looking good. Yeah, there's nothing in my opinion that's bearish about this at all. You could pull back. Don't get me wrong. Not a financial advisor. Here you are at 28.3 cents. Don't be surprised by the time you watch this, you could be back at 27 cents. Maybe you're all the way back down at 26 cents. Probably not. Probably not. You're probably going to continue to grow, honestly. By the time you watch this video, whoever you are, you're probably going to see the prices higher. But even if it does pull back, pullbacks happen along the way, right? Look at this on a 4-hour basis. When we moved up here, there were pullbacks all along the way. Right? You pumped and you gave back the whole pump. You'd pump and you'd pull back to your prior resistance. You'd pump and you'd pull back. You pump and you pull back. That's just kind of how it is. You pulled back the overall pump itself, found support at prior resistance. So don't be surprised if there are pullbacks along the way, but don't be surprised. It doesn't stop here. We've got higher to go. In the immediate term, being at 28 cents now, I would expect that over the coming days, we'll see prices that are well above 30 cents, aiming for 40 cents and beyond in a matter of no time at all. I got nothing else for you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. Take it easy. I'll see you on the next one. Good job, Stellar Lumens. Good job, crypto. It's a good day for crypto, so love seeing that. Oh, you know what? I'm kind of curious. I haven't looked at this today. Bitcoin dominance. What are we at on the dominance here? Good. It's dropping. Good. As it should. So that's good. All right, take it easy, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.